Welcome to Ecuador! Good morning from Mindo. Wow, slept really good. I could hear the stream go on. I could hear birds chirping. Today is a hiking day for me. It's got some waterfalls, you can swim, a ton of birds and wildlife. So first things first, let's get breakfast in me. All right, bag all packed. Now it's time to find that $6 cab up to Tarabita. $6 ride, about 10-minute drive up. Take you to the shack here. Here we go. Cable car right here. Get a ticket. So, gonna get on this right now. Tarabita here. That's a $5 ride over, but he said this whole loop is the best one. It's 2 hours. Oh, a Pucci coming with?
Sí.
Here we go. It is 9:43 a.m. 2-hour loop. Let's hike. When you head down the trail, they've got these signposts right here. So the first one you come across, Cascada Nambillo. That's the most popular one because it's obviously the closest to the cable car. I've been told the other waterfalls are not only more scenic, but also I figure I'm going to be hiking for 2 hours. I'm going to bust a sweat. So I'll sweat, come back here and wash it all off. First waterfall, first swim. Woo! Freezing out. First waterfall down. This one was pretty darn awesome, I must say. And the fact I got to swim in it all by myself makes it even more amazing. 5 more waterfalls to go today. If the other waterfalls are anything like this one, I'm super stoked because that's pretty cool to be swimming in that as my morning shower. Let's go see more waterfalls.
I'm giving it to you. I do my part. Yeah. Time away. Just you let it go. I do my part.
Number 2 down, I've got Colibras, Madre, and Madero left.
I do my part. Yeah. Time away. Just you let it go.
Let's go for a swim. I realize this may look stupid walking through the jungle with the umbrella, but I got all my camera gear in the back and not all of it's waterproof. Only this GoPro is. Lots of rain now, look at that. It's raining. This one looks cool, but it's not as unique as the other one, so I don't think I'm gonna swim in this one. Just take it all in. Isn't it funny? You're okay getting wet swimming around in a waterfall, but as soon as it starts raining, it's not a fan. 5th waterfall of the circuit. Number 5 of the 5 waterfall circuit. Let's get going. Final waterfall, number 6. which doesn't look like it's swimming season for this particular one. It's filled with mud right now. The final waterfall was Nambillo. Not sure that necessarily was worth it, but final way out the cable car. Tarabita. Let's go. Oh, hold on. So these kind of people offered me a ride in the car back. That was really nice of them, so I don't have to take a taxi. I just got dropped off by Marco up there. That was really good of him, so I didn't have to pay a taxi back. I'm gonna drop off my soaking wet stuff and then grab lunch. I'm gonna have Venezuelan food as my lunch today. It's apparently pretty cheap and good quality. So just past the Mindo sign on the corner, here's the Venezuelan food right here. It's Venezuelan soul food. So the arepa is what's recommended here. He's got a few good options. He says his favorite is pollo. He recommended the pollo, the chicken. And also there's a unique one called the avocado one. So I'm gonna try both of those. They're only $2 each for an arepa. I also just got a Fanta for $1, so $5 lunch, pretty good. First one's out, it is the avocado one. I think I just got one. I think the chicken and avocado is in one. I taste mainly the beans on this. Chicken's pretty good. I probably should have added cheese, but so good. I think I mistook the order. I thought it was gonna be a 2. He only gave me 1. Thank God it was only 1 because I was full after that. And on the plus, that was only a $3 lunch. Great price, you can't be beaten. A little disappointing, but Google Maps is like completely wrong in this town. All the restaurants are on the wrong streets and stuff. Went up and down all the side roads. Finally found this place, the Butterfly Farm. So these are the 4 stages of it. You got eggs, you got larvae, you got them bloom, and then you get the full adult. So first up, these are the eggs. These are the larvae. There's 3. Look how big they get. And then finally, these are what they look like when they're about to hatch. Look at all the hummingbirds. Holy crap, look at them go. There's tons of them in here. Very random. It's a small world. I was just coming up the hotel room door and I look over to my left and I see this girl and I like look straight. She looks familiar. I look again. My friend Candace, who's sisters with one of my good friends, Christy. So anyways, so random. Small town Abbotsford, bumping into someone in small town Ecuador while we're both traveling here. So I'm going to go out for dinner with her and her boyfriend right now. Cheers to random encounters that turn out awesome. Oh, awesome. Thank you, gracias. Smells good. Well, it's a bit pricey, but definitely worth it. El Chef, that slab of steak was freaking huge. So good. Worked out to about $11 a person with beer. Pretty good price. So if you're in town looking for something, check out El Chef. Feeling like a little sugar, so I stopped at the crepe place for a mochaccino. The chocolate in this town is really good, so if you're gonna have a coffee, make it a mocha. Look how hard it started to rain down. My gosh. It's coming down non-stop. Quick break to talk about kit. One of the best things I recently added to my kit was this. It's a wrist strap for your camera. I find in situations like this where I'm hiking, having it attached to my neck like the previous standard stuff just doesn't cut it. You get all sweaty, it's dangling in front of you, you don't have your hands available to you if you need to grab onto something. That said, like, you still gotta watch you don't swing this too bad. But the ease in which I can flip out my camera and have it ready to shoot is amazing. This thing only cost about $7 or $8 on Amazon. Highly recommend you check it out.